Hi, I'm Deekshith, currently the campus ambassador for Unstop for my college. So, I have that discussion long time ago. You may have who are these campus ambassador, what they do, how they perform, is it is paid or unpaid, and a lot of questions around this. So I started digging about this and find a lot of things about campus ambassadors basically. So I want to express you my journey. Before that, I would like to tell you what is campus ambassadors. Basically, before understanding about campus ambassadors, you need to know ambassadors as a basic thing. So, ambassadors are the persons who represents a brand via, via their story of the person. Like most of times, you see ambassadors for brands which are public figures so that they can get wide range of wide range of views on the brand in the positive or negative terms. So when it comes, for example, Virat Kohli is the brand ambassador for Puma, or Shah Rukh Khan is the brand ambassador for Bayus, and many more examples as you can take and go. But when it comes to campus ambassador, this person is representing the brand of which he was paid or unpaid in his campus. Example, take me as example. I represent a brand called Unstop in my campus, which is Sri Hindu College of Engineering and Technology, where this all goes and rolls in the terms where I need to represent Unstop as a brand in my campus. This is the basic things as about ambassadors and campus ambassadors. So this was to start with my journey, where in more than 1.5 year from my first year, 1.5 year approximately my first year, I started for applying this basic term campus ambassador for different more than 60 70 applications in the term Unstop. I searched and applied, where majority of them are trying to scam the basic engineering students or any UG student, to scam them in the name of internships and so many things. So I spotted some. Basically, I understand them as scams. So where I pretend or I suspended them and I did not went collaborated with them, but some of my friends did, where they even don't know how it is a scam, where I try to explain to some, but even some are going, this is very wrong, we need to speak about this a lot and more people need to know, get aware about this topic. But I would like to go my journey through. So in that, I found few or good ambassador positions where I can apply. Some of the big names where I applied but I did not got selected. But in some where I got selected but disqualified after some rounds, where I did not disappoint. But a regular platform where I surf the web, that is Unstop. So it was a great platform, by the way. As a campus examiner, I am not saying this. Go to Unstop. Go to unstop.com. See the any event or any. They have a lot of things, not just the what we call, not just an job updates or some basic things. So just I do not remember everything from there. So basically, what they have to express you precisely without any mistakes, starting with they get regular updates to you on internships, jobs, competitions, mentorship, prat- practical for practical problems, coding, MBA case studies, and more. Courses, scholarships, cultural events, workshop, conference, and blog. All of this are the basics, not the basics, the categories that wide range in this frame. So I'm using this. One day I spot an event, not the event, a post on Unstop only, where they said we are looking for campus numbers of for 2024 and 2025 year. So I just applied. I recorded a video and post. They took me an interview. Then I got selected. Simple, easy process. But as a person, what I thought was, if I refer something to my friends, which are my classmates, even my college mates, anyone from in my college, they need to should not lose time and money, where I think most of we fail. So where I applied, told you more than 75. Even I got selected for two, where I said, and they are big names, not the common where you can just even heard before, but they are big names that are making sense today. There's a tech profitable a tech. So I don't want to go to more in all that. But Unstop is a platform where if I share to a friend of me, if he doesn't use, it's his problem. If he use, he may get benefit. So is it costing any of his time? No. He need to just, even I made a WhatsApp group where I'm sharing a regular updates. This events you need to follow so that you get interested. Not even interested, to get the idea of how world performing. Then if time was not wasted in that way, for my particularly in my friend context via me, if I posted an event where there is a quiz by IIT Bombay is happening by ESL of the IIT Bombay on this date, on this time. If he was an interested person, he would like to go and see what is that about quiz, how many minutes it take. If it is hackathon, I post. If he interested, he goes and sees. Like here, some of them are paid, most of them are not free, which was one of good things. And the score of where I got selected, and I interested to continue with Unstop is the part. There is a feature called partnering with Unstop, where you can host event via Unstop as a digital partner. Means if you create a Google form, the data goes to Google Sheets, and you need to again grab them, call them, add in WhatsApp group or email them. All this terrible process in that week, where you are going to enter different process in college, where suddenly you need to create about different ad campaigns and many things is going happening around you, and you need to keep a small track of people, and you need to add them in a WhatsApp group, or you need to update. This a is a technical solved problem, and that was freely provided by, where Unstop has a free solution for this, where you need to create an event in Unstop, and you need to share that to link to whoever you want, and they will be registered, and they will get email updated information via Unstop, where I do not need, and I get all of them in Excel sheet, which was a great. And I would like to see how it goes with my team, with my college. Next month we are having them, so I need to go more on that deeply. So as of now, it's 6th of Feb 2025. This is my journey up to now, so I need to see how it goes, what I makes and more. I would like to express that story later part or later months of me, and I would like to see more on this. I would like to go more people who unstop the unstoppables, who will become the unstoppables, where this will be the crazy shit ever in their life. Unstop by Deekshith.